In this video, I would like to talk about the new SIM card, the free SIM card in the Dubai. This SIM card, you will be receiving an immigration visa, and it includes 10 gigabyte free internet and also 3 minutes call. By default, it should be activated and you have to use only 24 hours. So the time starts when you entrance the country, and then after 24 hours it will be invalid and finished. So if it is not activated or you want to buy another kind of packages, you have to go to a Duo store. So in this video, I will show you where can you go and how to buy further packages. So you have to come here for activate your SIM card. We are coming in the Dubai Mall branches, but maybe you have find another branches in the Dubai city.